Hello friends, in today's class we are going to solve word problems on consecutive integers. Consecutive number means the number which follow one another. They are called as consecutive numbers. The number which comes one after the other. Okay. So let's solve this. First example is 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So when we take consecutive numbers, we have to take like x plus 1 and x plus 2. So let these numbers equals to x plus 1 and x plus 2. So we have added 1 after each number. Okay, x plus 1 is x plus 1. In that also plus 1, that is x plus 1 is x plus 2. Therefore, we got now consecutive numbers in terms of x. Then the problem says they are taken in increasing order, and so we have taken it in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Now 2, 3 and 4 respectively means the first number is multiplied by 2, second number is multiplied by 3 and the third number is multiplied by 4. So they add up to 74. Therefore, according to question, so we have to do 2 into x plus 3 into second number, which is x plus 1 plus 4 into third number, which is x plus 2. Their addition is 74. Okay. Now we will solve it. 2x plus multiply 3 to the bracket, you will get 3x plus 3. 3 into x and then 3 into 1. So 3x plus 3 plus again 4 also. 4x plus 4 to the 4 into x, 4x, 4 to the 8 equals to 74. Add similar terms. The terms which are having x will be added together. Okay. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x plus 4x is 9x. 9x plus 8 is equals to 74. Sorry, we forgot this 3. Okay. 8 plus 3 is 11. Constant we have added and variables also. It becomes 74 minus 11. Therefore, 9x is equals to 63, and again transpose to this 9 to the RHS. Then we have to divide RHS by 9. So x is equals to 7 because 9 sevens are 63. Therefore, these consecutive numbers are 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. Okay. Therefore, consecutive numbers are consecutive integers are 7, 8 and 9. Next example is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Write the numbers in increasing order. Let's solve. See, I'll tell you how to write the multiples of any number. Okay. Suppose we have to write the multiples of 11. So we know the 11 table, right? 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. Okay. So if we take x is equals to 1, then we can write here 11x. That is 11 into 1 is 11. And this 22 we can write as a 11 into x plus 1. Okay. Because x is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 11 into 2 is 22. Then this 33 we can write 11 x plus 2. Here x is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 into 11, 33. Okay, so if we take x is equals to 1, we can write any multiple of 11 in terms of 11 into x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and so on. Let 3 consecutive multiple of 11 is equals to x, first is 11x, then 11 into x plus 1, and third is 11 into x plus 2. Okay, value, x can take any value. Here we have taken x as 1, but x can take any value. This is just for your understanding. Now their sum is 363. Therefore 11x plus 11x plus 1 plus 11 into x plus 2. Their sum is 363. Solve this, you will get 11x plus, multiply 11 to the bracket, 11x plus 11 plus again multiply 11x plus 11 to the 22. You have to multiply 11 to this bracket 1 by 1, okay, is equals to 363. Then add similar terms, 11x plus 11x plus 11x, which is equals to 33x plus 11 plus 22. 11 plus 22 is 33, which is equals to 363. Transpose this 33 to LHS, you will get 33x is equals to 363 minus 33. 363 minus 33 is 330. Therefore 33x is equals to. Now transpose 33 to the RHS, you will get x is equals to 330 divided by 30, and therefore x is equals to 330 divided by 33 is 330 divided by 33 is 10. So x is equals to 10. Now we got x 10. Therefore you can write the consecutive multiples equals to consecutive multiples of 11. Okay, you have to put x here. So 11 into, you have to put the value of x in these numbers. Okay, so 11 into 10 is 110. Then x is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 11 is 121, and which is 132. See, the difficult part in this word problem is just to take the values in terms of x. Most of the time the example on consecutive odd integers and consecutive even integer is asked. So how to take the consecutive odd integers and consecutive even integer in terms of x, I'll tell you. See, let's take even number like 8, 10, 12. Now if I have to take the smallest number as x, then 10 I can take x plus 2, and 12 I can take x plus 4, because 8 plus 4 is 12. So there is a difference of 2. So if you take first number x, the second you can take x plus 2, third you can take x plus 4 and x plus 6 and so on. Okay, so this is for even number. For odd number 7, 9, 11. So if you take x as 7, then 9 you can write x plus 2, and 11 you can write x plus 4. See, now when you take in terms of x, it is same, x plus 2, x plus 4, like how we have taken in terms of even number, x plus 2, x plus 4. In terms of odd number, it won't be x plus 1 and x plus 3. If you take x plus 1, you will get 7 plus 1, 8. So you will get even number, but in order to get odd number, you have to add even numbers to the value of x. Add even number to the x, and for even number also you have to add even number, for odd number also you have to add even number to the x, because the difference in the even number and odd number is same, that is 2. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, it comes in the difference of 2. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So the difference is 2. Therefore when we take their values, we have to take the difference of 2, that is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. Depends on how many values you want in terms of x. Okay, so please share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.